That is the next problem. For what values of m? For what values of m the equation x square minus 2 of 1 plus 3m of x plus 7 of 3 plus 2m is equal to 0 will have equal roots. Okay. For what values of m the equation will have equal roots. Okay. For the given equation is x square minus 2 of 1 plus 3m of x plus 7 of 3 plus 2m is equal 0. Where what is the values of a, b, c? A equal 1, b is equal minus 2 of 1 plus 3m, c is equal 7 of 3 plus 2m. And what is the given condition? The equation will have equal roots. When the equation have equal roots nature. If discriminant equal to 0, then the roots are equal roots. Real and equal. So you are already given that the equation has equal roots. Equal roots mean then implies delta is equal 0. Delta mean b square minus 4ac is equal 0. Now we can substituting a, b, c values. What is the value of b? Minus 2 of 1 plus 3m whole square minus 4 of a 1 c 7 of 3 plus 2m is equal 0. Okay, this square applying for these two terms, minus 2 whole square means 4 of 1 plus 3m whole square minus 4 of 7 3 the 21 plus 7 2 the 14m is equal 0. For these two terms, what is the common term? 4 is the common term. 4 of 1 plus 3m whole square minus of 21 plus 14m is equal 0. On the left side 4 is the multiplying term. The term can move, the element can move from right side, that is multiplying, moving right side, that is dividing. So 1 plus 3m whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. Applying here a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square mean 3m whole square mean 9m square plus 2ab, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6m plus 6m minus of 21 minus 14m is equal 0. 9m square 6m minus 14m minus 8m 1 minus 21 minus 20. Okay, now split that equation. What the product of first and last terms? Minus 180. What are the factors of minus 180? Added the factors, we get middle term. 8 is the middle term. So 18 10 is 180. 18 10 subtracting 8. So 9m square minus 8m can be written as minus 18m plus 10m minus 20 equal 0. In the first two terms 9m is the common term, m minus 2. In the remaining two terms plus 10 is the common term, m minus 2. So m minus 2 of 9m plus 10 is equal 0. The product of the two terms equal 0 means either first term equal 0 or second term equal 0. M minus 2 equal 0 or 9m plus 10 equal 0. Means m is equal to 2. M is equal to minus 10 by 9. So roots are, when the roots are equal, discriminant equal to 0. Roots are always real roots. So real means here m is equal minus 10 by 9 is not exist. So therefore, for which value of m the given equation has equal roots, m is equal 2. Okay, everyone note this one. మీరు అటు తీసుకోండి సార్, డిగ్రీలో తీసుకోండి. మీరు మీ వాయిస్ పెద్దగా వస్తుంది, డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది ఇంట్లో. ఓకే, కంప్లీటెడ్. Right on the next one. Next question. Find the values of m. Find the values of m find the values of m for which the following equations have equal roots. Equal roots. First one, x square minus 15 minus m of 2x minus 8 is equal 0. We can find the values of m for which the following equations have equal roots. When the equation have equal roots, if discriminant equal 0, the equation has equal roots. Okay, for the given equation, is x square minus 15 minus m of 2x minus 8 is equal 0. Okay, now the given equation can be converted into general quadratic equation. General quadratic equation is x square terms, x terms, constant term. But in this equation there are constant terms or two terms are there. So now we can convert this equation in the general equation ax square. X square minus 15 minus m into 2x minus 2mx minus of minus plus 8m equal 0. X square minus 2mx plus 8m minus 15 is equal 0. So this equation is in the form of general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0, where what is the value of a equal 1, b equal minus 2m, c is equal 8m minus 15. So the equation, the roots are, the equation have equal roots. Then implies when the equation has equal roots, discriminant equal 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equal 0. What is the value of b? Minus 2m whole square minus 4 into 1 into 8m minus 15 equal 0. Minus 2m whole square, 4m square minus 4 of 8m minus 15 equal 0. In the student, what is the common term? 4 is the common term. 4 of m square minus of 8m minus 15 is equal 0. On the left side 4 can move from right, that value is equal to 0 by 4 means 0. M square remaining left side term, m square minus 8m minus of minus plus 15 equal 0. Now split that equation. What is the product of first and last term? 15. What are the factors of 15? 1 15 is 15, minus 1 minus 15, 5 3 is 15, minus 5 minus 3. What is the middle term? Minus 8 term. So add the product of the term, we get middle term, minus 5 minus 3. So m square minus 5m minus 3m plus 15 equal 0. In the first two terms, what is the common term? M is the common term, m of m minus 5. In the remaining two terms, minus 3 is the common term, m minus 5 equal 0. So here what is the common term? M minus 5 is the common term. So remaining m minus 3 equal 0. So product of the two terms equal 0 means m minus 5 equal 0 comma m minus 3 equal 0 means m is equal 5 comma m equal to 3. For which values of m the given equation will have equal roots? 3 and 5. For the values of 3 and 5, the given equation will have equal roots. Okay, everyone understood? Okay, everyone know this one? completed. Okay, that is the next one. Second problem. Second one. M plus 1 of x square plus 2 of m plus 3 of x plus m plus 8 equal to 0. For which values of m the given equation will have equal roots? Okay, what is the given equation? Here given equation is m plus 1 of x square plus 2 of m plus 3 of x plus m plus 8 is equal 0. The given equation is in the form of a general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0, where what is the values of a? Where a is equal, a is the coefficient of x square, that is m plus 1, b is equal 2 of m plus 3, c is equal m plus 8. Okay, the given equation, the roots are, the equation will have equal roots, then discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac equal 0. What is the value of b? 2 of m plus 3 whole square minus 4 of m plus 1 into m plus 8 equal to 0. The square applying for these two terms, 2 square 4 of m plus 3 whole square minus 4 of, find the product of these two terms, m into m square, m into 8, 8m, 1 into m, 1 into 8, 8 equal 0. In these two terms, what is the common term? 4 is the common term. 4 of, applying here a plus b whole square, m square plus 9 plus 6m minus of m square, 8m plus m, 9m plus 8 is equal to 0. On the left side 4 can move from right, that value is equal to 0 because 0 by something 0. M square plus 9 plus 6m minus m square minus 9m minus 8 equal to 0. So plus m square minus m square get cancelled. 9 minus 8 1, 6m minus 9m minus 3m. So 3m is equal to 1, m is equal 1 by 3. So for which values of m the given equation will have equal root? 1 by 3. Not this one. Okay, completed. Try the next one. Next, third problem. Third one. X square plus m plus 3 of x plus m plus 6 is equal to 0. For what values of m the given equation will have equal roots. So here what is the given equation? Given equation is x square plus m plus 3 of x plus m plus 6 is equal to 0. So this equation comparing with general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a? A is x square coefficient. In the given equation x square coefficient is 1. B is the coefficient of x. In the given equation what is the coefficient of x? M plus 3. C is the constant value. In the given equation constant is m plus 6. Okay. The equation will have equal roots, then discriminant equal to 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equal 0. What is the value of b? Where b is equal m plus 3 of m plus 3 whole square minus 4 of 1 of m plus 6 is equal to 0. So the first term is in the form of a plus b whole square. Applying here a plus b whole square, a square mean m square plus b square 3 square 9 plus 2ab 2 3 is 6 into m 6m minus 4 into m minus 4m minus 4 into 6 minus 24 equals 0. So m square 6m minus 4m plus 2m 9 minus 24 minus 15 is equal 0. Okay, now this equation is a quadratic equation in the variables of m. Now split that equation. What is the product of first and last term? Minus 15. What are the factors of minus 15? 1 into minus 15, minus 1 into 15, 3 into minus 5, minus 3 into 5. These four are factors of minus 15. What is the middle term? Plus 2m. So when we get added these four factors, we get plus 2, minus 3, plus 5. M square. So the middle term can be expressed as, can be reduced as 2m can be written as minus 3m plus 5m minus 15 equals 0. In the first two terms, what is the common term? M is the common term. M of m minus 3. In the remaining two terms, plus 5 is the common term. M minus 3. So m minus 3 is the common term. M plus 5. So m minus 3 equals 0 and m plus 5 equals 0. M is equal to 3, m is equal minus 5. So for which values of m? Minus 3 and minus 5. For the values of 3 and minus 5, the given equation will have equal roots. Okay, everyone understood? Not this one. ఓకే కంప్లీటెడ్. సేమ్ ఇదే మోడల్లో 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ హోంవర్క్ అమ్మ. కంపల్సరీ ఇచ్చినటువంటి హోంవర్క్ని కంపల్సరీ ఇన్ టైంలో కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ m వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసడం కోసం ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తూ ఏబిసి వాల్యూస్ నోట్ చేయండి. డిస్క్రిమినేట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0కి అప్లై చేస్తూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. వచ్చినటువంటి క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ని స్ప్లిట్ చేయండి. ఒకవేళ స్ప్లిట్ చేయడం కనుక పాసిబుల్ కాకపోతే రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? -b + r - b² - 4ac by 2a. Again this equation comparing with general equation ax² + bx + c, where a equal 1, b equal 2, c equal -15. సో రూట్స్ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేయండి, సేమ్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. స్ప్లిట్ చేయడం పాసిబుల్ కాకపోతే అది కూడా ఓకేనా. సేమ్ మోడల్ ఇదే మోడల్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అమ్మ. హోంవర్క్ 4th one mx² plus 2 of m plus 2 of x plus 2m equal to 0. Next 5th one 3m plus 1 of x² plus 2 of m plus 1 of x plus m equal to 0. And last one 2m plus 1 of x² plus 2 of m plus 3 of x plus m plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay students, ఈ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇంతకుముందు ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఫైండ్ ది నేచర్ ఆఫ్ ది రూట్స్ వితౌట్ ఫైండింగ్ ది రూట్స్, అవి ఒక 6 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, అవి 6 or 7 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఆ 7 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, టోటల్ 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ టుడే హోంవర్క్. ఈరోజు హోంవర్క్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఏంటంటే ఫైండ్ ది నేచర్ ఆఫ్ ది రూట్స్ 7 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ m ఫర్ విచ్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఈక్వల్ రూట్స్. ఇవి 3 క్వశ్చన్స్. టోటల్గా ఓవరాల్గా 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ హోంవర్క్. ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా సరే మీకు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పినటువంటి క్లాస్లో కావచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయడంలో కావచ్చు, ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నా సరే ఈ నెంబర్కి పర్సనల్గా కాల్ అయినా చేయండి, లేదా వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ అయినా అప్లై చేయండి. వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ చేసినా నేను రిప్లై ఇస్తాను. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్